Shark Tank. Today we have two entrepreneurs with a product for better sleep. Entrepreneurs, please begin.
Hello, Chuck. My name is Arthur.
And my name is Thomas.
Today we present Set Candle. Set Candle is a herbal scented candle for better sleep.
Many Gen Z cannot sleep because of stress and overthinking. Our candle help relax the brain before bedtime.
Why not use sleeping pill?
Sleeping pills have side effects.
Do you have 10 result?
Users sleep better after 7 days. They feel less stress and more relaxed.
What makes the candle the different?
We use Thai herb and eco-friendly materials.
How do you sell your product?
We sell online through social media.
We are asking for $100,000 and for 20% of our company.
May I take a look at your product?
Sure.
Thank you. So good, so good. It interesting.
The East Amet has product. Good.
Does anyone want it?
I know.
I'm not interested in your product.
I like your product. I will invest. Okay, I deal.
Okay, congratulations, you got a deal on Shark Tank.